Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name's Tim and this is Tim the Trailman, and today I've got a product review for you on my Chevrolet Silverado 2500. As many of you know, I live in Alaska and then I live down a dirt road. My mailboxes are 8 miles away, and that means the dirt road is 8 miles away, and there are mud seasons twice a year and snow season is 6 months out of the year. Needless to say, my truck normally looks like this. After living up here for quite a few months, I reached out to Lasfit and I asked for their floor liners. Their floor liners run in my 2020 4Runner currently, and I wanted to set in my truck. And so they absolutely said, please test our product in Alaska. And so Lasfit sent me these floor mats to install in the truck and get rid of those crappy OEM ones that they sold to me with the truck. So here you can see that my $70,000 truck came with these all-weather floor mats, but they don't really do the job. There's a couple problems with them. One, they don't cover the entire carpet area. They have a lip for I don't know what, but it doesn't keep mud, water, or snow in the floor mat area. And 3, the back seat floor mats don't go all the way across. So if you are putting dirty things on the ground or your feet or a middle passenger, the carpet in the middle is exposed. And so Lasfit's floor mats are going to fix all of that. And I'm super excited to put them in and then test them this winter moving forward, but I have no fear with them. And as a side note, pro tip, that if you are constantly tracking water, mud, or snow into your vehicle, the snow melts into the carpet and goes through that foam, and there are a ton of wires and control modules below that carpet that the manufacturer hides from you that, you know, would be not a great sight to see and keep out of the way of the owner of the vehicle. But that water will corrode wires. I've seen it professionally in the automotive industry for over 20 years. And so you want a good floor mat, not just for aesthetics, but it's definitely a functional item, and they're not that expensive to upgrade, especially when you're spending $70,000 on a truck and the factory all-weather mats don't protect you from anything. They just are made of rubber instead of carpet. So let's get them installed, check them out and see how great they look. And I know that they're going to do well moving forward. So thank you, Lasfit, for sending these floor mats to me. Okay, so this is the after. This is the Lasfit floor mats installed in the truck. And I didn't vacuum or anything because I wanted it to be real world just so it wouldn't look any better. But look how the mat goes all the way over to the plastic on the edge protector. It comes up. It has serious borders around it. And the coverage, it has the dead pedal here on the driver's side. Let's take a look at the passenger side. And this is the passenger side. It goes all the way up to underneath the dash, comes over to the hump, and then around. And the thing that I forgot to mention on the driver's side, you'll see in the video, I'll point out, is these are actually where it gets held down at if you have the floor pegs. So you don't actually have a hole there for water to drip down into the carpet. So the bottom of them is molded to secure to that here on the Chevrolet. Let's take a look at the back. Okay, and so here is the back. Look at how the mat goes all the way across the hump in the back, complete coverage up underneath the seats. And then in mine, the custom trim level, the bottom of the seats was empty. There was no storage or anything. So this is an aftermarket piece, but the mat extends underneath of it. So when you order it for your truck or vehicle, just make sure that you order it with the correct rear seat configuration. But that coverage is phenomenal. I'm not worried about snow, mud, or anything getting on the carpet now. Okay, so there you have it. That's the new all-weather floor mats from Lasfit installed in the vehicle. They also make lighting and other accessories. Check out their website for other products that they sell. Thank you so much again to Lasfit for sending me this product. I'm super excited to run it all winter. I know it's going to do great. And if you have other products that you want me to test out here in the roughness and the wild last frontier of Alaska, go ahead and let me know in the comments what product that would be. And if I can make it happen, I'd love to make that content for you and test out products in the toughest place known to man that we inhabit here in the United States. So thank you everyone for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.